Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block emails from your Craigslist. So let's get started right away. If you're receiving too much emails from your Craigslist account and you wish to have these turned off, then open up your web browser first and then in the address bar, type in your email address website. Just log into whichever email address you used while signing up for your account. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, look for any alert or email from Craigslist and go ahead and open it up. Once you open it, just expand the email and you will see the unsubscribe button. Go ahead and click on this and now you will be told that you have unsubscribed from your Craigslist email notification, which means that you will no more receive any notification from Craigslist. If you wish to turn this on once again, you will need to create a new notification from your Craigslist account by logging in. And there you have it. That is how you can block email notifications on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.